Ever wondered where your YouTube views are actually coming from? Are people finding your videos through search, browse, suggest videos, or external websites? YouTube traffic source give you the answer. Here's how to check them. Traffic source show you exactly how viewers discover your videos instead of only looking at your total views. This report explains where those views came from. Understanding your traffic sources can help you learn what's working and create better content in the future. Let me show you where to find it. So first open YouTube Studio. Now go to content section and select the video you want to analyze. Next click analytics. From the analytics page, open the reach tab. Scroll down until you see traffic sources. Here you will find different sources that bring viewers to your video. YouTube search means people found your video by searching on YouTube. Browse features means viewers discovered your video on the home page, subscription feed, or other browsing sections. Suggested videos means your videos was recommended next to or after other videos. External means viewers came from websites, apps, or social media outside YouTube. You may also see other traffic sources depending on your video. Use this report to understand which source is bringing you the most views. Traffic source help you understand how people discover your content. If most of your views come from YouTube search, your videos are performing well in search results. If browse features bring most of your views, YouTube is recommending your content on the home page or other browsing surface. Suggested videos are your main source. Your videos are being recommended alongside other content. By understanding where your views come from, you can make smarter decisions about your future videos instead of relying on guesswork. If you found this video helpful, stay connected with my channel Zonic Tech for more Android tricks and smartphone tips. Thanks for watching.